Hello guys, you've probably already realized that this is a YESSTYLE unboxing video. So where's the box? Here it is. And this, I guess, is the box. A wig. So, let's see. I don't actually remember what I got, so this will be exciting. And also sort of like Christmas, which is tomorrow for me, but probably not for you. Okay, so from what I could tell right now is that it's very long. A lot longer than I expected. And it feels really nice. Oh, it feels so smooth. Look at her. She's beautiful. She looks a lot redder on camera than she does in real life. Where she sort of looks like, you know, not like dark red. Maybe it's a lighting. I'll be back. Still doesn't actually look perfectly. But you know, she sort of looks like this, and she's super soft, and if you look at the inside, it's like, you know, your normal wig cap. The top, it has like a piece under it, and I guess if you wanted to match your skin color, if you had a darker skin color, then you could sort of put makeup there. Foundation, I guess, or concealer to make her darker. Okay, so I'll put her on later, but she's gonna sit over on the side there. She's gonna sit over on the side there with the wig cap. Let's go on. Ooh, this is easy. Tape measure. What is it? It's a tape measure. She does her thing. I know what this is. Okay. So this is from Pin Show. It's a fringe wig. In other words, like a bang wig. And it's in dark brown. He might be my color. We'll see about this. But I thought it was a random lock of hair, so I was slightly concerned. Okay. So the problem here is just he's a bit, you know, curled up from being in the bag. But that's nothing we can't fix. Okay, he's getting back into shape. No, he's not. Maybe some styling. Okay. And there's a little clip here. Ooh. Okay. So I've actually never gotten anything from Pin Show before, but the quality of the hair and things like that seem pretty good. I don't think I did this right, did I? Okay, the hair color also is a bit maybe too like brownish. Okay, so the hair clip actually stays in, which is nice. But like the problem still is he doesn't look really natural, does he? I look like I just put a block of hair on my head, which I guess I sort of did. So you can't be too surprised. Okay, he's already getting a bit messed up, but yeah, it's okay, I guess. he's gonna wait for me. Oh yeah, cord holder. Wonderful. Looks like it'll hold cords. Let's see. Let's see if it works with like my Apple cord. Holds thinner cord. Also holds it. Rate this a 10 out of 10. And it's pretty cute too. Oh yeah, so I also got this like fleece hair clip, which I guess is pretty cute. It was like the sale, so it's like free gift of the day. I sort of tossed it on there. I actually waited a day to like buy this whole package because I was like, I didn't really like the free gift of the day like at the time I was gonna get it, and I was like, I might as well wait just to see if like the next day there'll be something cute, and there's this. Actually, this is sort of nice. Like the clip seems very sturdy. It also makes my forehead look really big because it does its job almost too well. And just like removes my hair. Yeah, it's actually really nice. And it is indeed fluffy, fuzzy. So this is like a solid like 12 out of 10. Oh yeah. So this is my bang cutting kit. Which I'm sure you're like thinking, why didn't you just get fake bangs? Why are you also buying a bang cutting kit? It's for wigs, but also it's gigantic. But actually that might be helpful, honestly. Like I'm not gonna just say, oh no, just because it's bigger than I expected. I mean, sometimes that's a good thing. Usually it's a good thing. I don't know. It's better than if it was like miniature and I was like, oh, I could only cut like those bangs with it. Yeah. Next time I'm cutting a wig, I will film it. This was the acne pimple master patch, so it's sort of like if you have a pimple. I don't really have any pimples right now, but sometimes I get breakouts. So this is my first ever thing from Pony Effect. And oh god, I've been anticipating a lot from her. Got her in porcelain and ooh. So it sort of comes in like two. You can see, oh, look at her. Okay. And then the Glow Stay, I guess this is the actual foundation. But even the container is like, look at it. It's so nice. But it's like bigger than I expected. Ooh. I think there's like a cover over her. Because it's like hard to see. But it has like this weird texture to it, and I think it's like a protector. But like the sponge seems like it's really good quality. Like it's not like thick, but it's like it's got like a cushion, like a bounce to it, you know? Okay, so I'm like opening it here. And it says Pony Effect Soul. Oh, this looks a lot darker than I'd expect. I'm like nervous to try this, but let's see, okay. Oh, that's a lot. Let's see how this goes on. Okay, she is dark. Look at this. I'm also really pale though. In case you didn't notice already. Okay, this is like not really working for me. I'm sort of disappointed, but like the quality of it seems good. It's just the color is like, it also smells really nice. But yeah, the color is like not what I'd expect from like the lightest color of a K-beauty brand. They did give Porcelain. It should be the right color, but honestly it looks really yellow to me. And like it's harder to see here, but it just does not look my color. Like you could just see like exactly where it changes. Like okay, well this girl here is a bit sad. But let's open this up. It's nice that it has a refill though. And like, I feel like the quality of it would be really nice. It's just the color for me is like you could tell it's yellow. She smells really nice though. Side hours. It's fine. I'm handling this. Whatever. Where's the rest of everything I got? Okay, so this is from Apu. This is the Moist Creamy Concealer. Okay. So, this is in like a little case. Like anti-spill case, I guess. Also like anti-people using it case. It's also just hard to open up, but that could just be me. See, you can be smart. Intellectuals only here. I'm making a mess of my room. It's okay, it's my room. So actually this container, just to mention it, it seems actually pretty nice. It's like very matte and like looks pretty good for like, I'm not sure how much it costs, but oh, it's like it's a very like narrow entrance here. So very little of it comes off too, but like in a good way. Let's see. If you see it there, like you could make it come off very thinly and you could do like little spots too. Let's see. It sort of smells nice too, actually. Yeah. Texture wise, it's like pretty creamy, but also like not like sticky. I'd actually really recommend this. It's sort of what I was looking for. Yeah. So this seems pretty good. It's like relatively my skin tone, so it's like pretty pale. But it sort of has like a more yellowish tint to it, I guess. But like not as like heavy, like dark tan yellow compared to like this. So it's more of like a, I guess, warm tone. And then there's the Innisfree. No Sebum Mineral, no Sebum Mineral Powder, which is colorless. So thank God, that's nice for me. Because tragically, somehow I'm pale enough that even for like East Asian products or like K-beauty, J-beauty products, which are usually known for being like on the lighter side, I usually tend to be like dark for it unless there's like many options. So like whenever I get like drugstore makeup, it's a bit of a struggle. Though I did find the Olean? It's like, it sounds French. That brand had a really nice color which fit me, but it was like the lightest color. It sort of looks like this. Can't get her off the sticker, but you know, we gotta make do. I feel like this video should just be called like me struggling with tape. Because honestly, like, that's all I've been doing. Or just me struggling, but that's all I'm ever doing. Oh look! So it's like a little thing. But it's like, it's very cute. Remove the attached film before use. Part 2.